all faculty members and all participants and delegates of all this international webinar. I am glad to share that this is the 15th webinar the college has organized in this pandemic affected year. Today, one of the hottest topics around the globe is climate change, which is threatening our life on Earth. Climate change refers to the adverse change in the environment and its impact on the living organism on Earth. The climate of the Earth has become warmer over the last 2 million years, of which climate change and global warming is responsible. The absurd increase in the atmospheric temperature leads to very drastic changes in the Earth. For example, season shift, deforestation, the burning of fossil fuels, and other human activities are the most important reasons for global warming, which causes a variation in the climate. I hope our eminent speaker will shed some light on how chemistry can contribute to control this global issue. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am, for your encouraging. Dinesh Gupta sir. He is from University of Rajasthan and MS. He has a great affinity for our department as he was former head and vice principal. He worked as controller of examination, Ajmer, and administrative secretary at Central University of Rajasthan, Ajmer. He has a teaching experience and work as a reviewer. I invite our guest of honor, Dr. Dinesh Gupta sir, for his presidential address. Welcome, sir.
दिनेश सर अनम्यूट करें अपने आप को। दिनेश सर अनम्यूट करें अपने आप को।
Okay. Welcome from my side to the participants and keynote speakers from outside India. I'm very happy to know that prestigious College of North India, commonly known as GCA, more than 186 years old, is organizing a national webinar on chemistry solutions to climate change, building better future. Today, on 22nd December 2020, under the aegis of IQ AC cell of Government College, Ajmer, I am proud to be associated with this A-grade college by NEC as HOD Chemistry and Vice Principal. My congratulations to Principal Dr. Neelima Gaur, Dr. Sunita Pachauri, Assistant Director, College Education, Ajmer Zone, Dr. R.K. Upadhyay, HOD and Coordinator of this webinar, Dr. Rakesh Tak, convener, and Dr. Suchitra Chaudhary, organizing secretary, along with enthusiastic team of Government College Ajmer for organizing this international event. Engineer Amit Bhargava from Calgary, Canada, keynote speaker, is known to me, and I'm sure we will be benefited by his insight in chemical engineering and environment. Other speakers, Dr. Deepan from USA and Dr. Rakesh Sharma paper on how to reduce environment pollution using Rajasthani clay should be of interest to us, since now by using Rajasthani clay, Rajasthan will be on world map. The other major issues on which we may use our attention are wind energy, turbines, hydropower, tide energy, solar energy, power generation, cooking, use of carpooling, electric car, renewable energy, and public transport. Just a point to be mentioned here will be worthwhile that after unlockdown, pollution in India has increased, that is API, from 150 to 410%. The main sources are transport vehicles, industrial pollution, burning of parali, etc. Here it is worthwhile to mention that Jharia of Jharkhand is most polluted city, and Lunglai of Mizoram is the least polluted today. Delhi, the national capital, is on 10th in India. Some of the major solutions to reverse climate changes may be through wind turbine, hydropower, tide energy. The most effective are plant species and insect species by pollution. So some of these points, I think this webinar will be focusing, will be fruitful. Once again, thanks to the organizing team and principal for inviting me. Best of luck and Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your cooperation for the Nobel causes and your concern for climate warming changes and environment. We thank you for giving us your valuable time for our webinar. Thank you. Now,